A happy Chinese New Year. Japan used to follow the lunar calendar year in the past until 1872. I googled it. And in the northern area of Japan, like my hometown Aomori, where you will be surrounded by old snow like 2 meters every year, they used to celebrate the lunar New Year with what is called Keno Shiru. Keno Shiru is basically a miso soup with loads of different roots, vegetables, mushrooms, beans, tofu, everything in it. It's a vegetarian dish, yet it's so punchy with miso. And then because of the vegetable, it contains so much fiber, so it's good for your bowel movement as well. And some of the vegetables you probably never seen before, like this one, Burdock. I don't usually buy them in this country because I don't know where they're imported from, but the quality is subtly poor. The core inside is spongy, so I will have to remove them. But anyway, I will show you how to prepare and cook. It's so easy. I hope you will enjoy it. Konnyaku, you can use either this noodle shaped one or this square shaped one. If you use this square shaped one, you cut in 1 centimeter block as well and boil them first, otherwise it's a bit stinky. Today I'm gonna use this noodle shaped one. A small tin like this, it costs like £5 or more than £5, but this one looks so fresh and nice, and £2.50 at Sainsbury's. I recommend using it. It doesn't smell bad and I didn't taste chemicals, so it's a must-buy item. Okay, this is Koyadofu, freeze-dried tofu. You put in a hot water and wash them. So spongy. Shirodashi, today I'm gonna use shirodashi, which is a fish stock with salt, and kombu dashi, which is a seaweed kelp, as you can see here. And 100 grams of beans, tinned. Okay, so tasting time. I put a bit of rice and shichimi chilli on top. That will enhance the flavor. I sometimes eat like this in the morning as a breakfast. Let me try. Oishii. I can feel the sweetness of natural sweetness of vegetables, and the combination is so fantastic. But anyway, I hope you will enjoy this at home. Stay safe, eat healthy, and take care. See you next time.